Lingkod na ako. I would be happy to die here. Hindi man lang yun. No, I've always... Wala ko pang hawak mo dyan sa pag-black mo ko. If God wants you dead, right now, you'll be dead. Kasi kung sa'yo yung bato, it's destiny. And that was, if God wants me to be president, He will make me president. If God thinks that I am somehow deserving or undeserving of the presidency, so be it. Wala problema yan. If you do not like me, do not vote for me. There are two other idiots beside me. Subukan nila. Subukan nila yan ang presidente. I'd be happy to look at the nation and say, recently. Ayaw kong tumakbo.